can't smell it.
You have to go to the next. So excited! We came to buy a bed.
Look at your own candles.
Wait. And we just made it to Ikea. Now we're just walking around. We're with Chandro. Que nós vim buscar preciso? A bed.
A bed and a sofa. I know both of them are going to go home.
Okay.
You're going to make me, at least you're going to get them to deliver. Press to take the picture and then in flash. Look down, time running. I was recording.
Oh, this is a nice one though.
I was trying to go to this one.
Oh, they have a little sill here. Let's see what they have. I don't know if they have anything interesting that we need. Oh, we don't need anything. Oh, they have some plants. Should we get a plant? Yeah? No, we don't need it.
I'm saying permission.
We don't need it.
Like you're going to pay for it. Is I paying for it?
No, but we don't need it. Okay, there is nothing that we need here. They have the place to eat, like the little restaurant. It's closed. I think the one at the end, like when you check out, is also closed, and that makes me a little upset because I was really looking forward to some ice cream. But whatever. Y'all, when I get a big house, I am getting this one. This is the one. It's 18 euros. It is so soft. Oh my gosh, I want it so bad. I feel like this would be perfect with the aesthetic that the bathroom is now. Well, not really with the shower curtain. Like I could get rid of that. My boyfriend likes it a lot, but like I could, you know, like I could change it, make it mine. But yeah, this is so good. Hey, we need 2 of these. I didn't already talk to.
That's the small ones.
Okay, never mind. Oh gosh. This is one thing that I've missed like the most. Some Ikea candles.
Amen, hallelujah.
These ones are good, no?
That's a candle, boy. Yeah.
Should we get some vanilla tambe?
Let me see.
I feel like we should get.
How much hours is like 10 years?
10.
By 10 years with the candles.
I know. Look, these are new. They have, I don't know what this is. This looks like lemonade. Lemonade with something. And then I have another one over here. They have 2 new scents.
Let me smell it. Yeah, that's a tool. That's some weak sauce. This one smells pretty okay. And peach? Take this one.
I don't know.
Take this one.
Okay, but wait, let me smell it first.
Take 2.
But I didn't smell it yet.
No, it's not. Take 2.
Okay, but
Wait,
okay,
that's
let me smell
Oh,
it.
you're talking a lot. I can't smell it.
Oh, I like this one, yeah. I don't feel like this one smells like anything. Okay, 2. Okay, getting 2.
This is 2 euros for one, right?
Yeah, 2 euros.
Yeah, I ain't know where to go.
I like the small ones just because they're cheaper. Oh, they.
Look at your own candles. I don't know when we're going to be here again, so.
True. Oh, Lord.
Give me the 2 small ones.
What small ones?
There's 2 small ones.
He can be sensitive too. He just realized this ain't like action around the corner.
Yeah.
We ain't gonna be here.
Take 2 more. That big one.
Are you sure? You like them that much?
This cherry one, that is good.
I like it.
The cherry one is amazing.
Yeah, this is it. Oh, God.
Chandro,
Nothing.
I'm not going to judge you. I'm not going to
I
judge you.
plan to spend like 20 something euros. I just regularly spend 20 something euros.
That one looks sexy, no?
It looks sexy, but it don't smell sexy.
No? Oh, like drop and mint.
Kind of dealing with this.
This is lavender.
This one smells pretty good
But
too,
this is $3.99 though.
yeah, I
It's
don't
a
want to pay $3.99.
little pricey. Look at this. We came to buy a bed.
Among other things.
Exactly, so stay focused, people. Let's go.
I didn't find any plants. What's that even for?
Afraid to answer.
Snap a quick picture. Not here, but I just took a couple of pictures for my Instagram. It was not the plan, but I'm happy that I did anyway. We just found the bed, and I think we're gonna leave. Is that everything to your bed?
No, we have to go to the next.
Oh, you have to go to the next. I am loving Ikea right now. I feel like I love it more now that I haven't been here in a long time and I wasn't able to come, you know? Special place in my heart. Yeah, my kids are going to suffer in here. It's not so bad. Sing a classical song, Aaron. But they go point my toes. I don't think this is for the kitchen because look at how it feels.
Yeah.
It's pretty though. The little cafeteria that they have downstairs by the checkout, they have it, and I'm excited to get some hot dog. You want anything?
I want to say yes,
What you don't know for sure?
but I don't know for sure.
I'm sitting here with some plants in my hand because we bought some plants. Last minute purchase. You know the ones that you always see at the cash register? You know the ones you always see at the cash register? Okay, I need you to... What actually happened was this was not part of the plan for today. I'm very sorry if you can hear the AC because I feel like it's really loud. But this was not part of the plan for today. Basically, we were just laying in bed. Chandra came to the door. He literally knocked on the door. He didn't even ring the bell, which he usually just rings the bell. But anyways, he knocked on the door and we weren't sure who it was. And then he was like, so you guys feel like going to Ikea? And I got super excited. I was literally like a bunny on, I don't want to say the word, but I was really excited because I don't know if you guys know this, I love Ikea. I love going to Ikea. I love walking around and just envisioning and manifesting everything that I could get, you know. I am actually very happy that we got to do this today because lately I've been feeling so stressed. Well, the thing is I have no reason to be stressed. It's just that I'm stressing myself out a little too much. I want to do a lot of things. I want to finish up on a lot of things, and I just basically overwork myself during the day. I put a lot of stress on myself with my to-do list because I'm adding every single thing that I want to get done on my to-do list, and it hasn't been healthy at all. And it has actually gotten to the point where I've just had a really terrible headache for days. I noticed that today I don't have my headache, and I think that it might be because I'm not stressing. I also ate a lot better today. I actually got up at 7:30 this morning, which has not happened in forever, since the last time I've been to school, or at least the last time that I had to be in school so early. Yo, look at these boys. How the heck? I'm not going to cuss and use bad words, but how is this going to fit in a damn car? It's not going to fit.
Played myself to do it for you.
Big time.
No, it's going to fit. We got this.
Played myself to do it for you.
Take a little 1 minute. 1 minute of silence.
Prayer. Silencing will help us now. Prayer.
Watch the backs, watch the backs. Ah, this is going to fit. Wait, he's not pushing yet, wait.
I think we have to put the light on.
Hey, but listen. Okay, I'll keep this thing in check. Look at this, look. Ay, 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 ay. Wait. No, it just feels weird. So we just got back home. It was a whole struggle to get everything in everyone's room, but we did it. It's 11 o'clock right now, and yeah, I'm about to end the night. I think the others might still come over just to hang out, but I want to jump in the shower and be clean and eat my dinner because I didn't have dinner yet. Because I am just exhausted. I wanna, I wanna sleep. I'm tired. We just put on the candles, the duo colored ones. So I'm excited to see how they smell because, sometimes it's a little different when you actually start to burn the candles. So I'm excited. Don't say it. Insert so excited clip.
So excited!
Just the part where he says so excited. Oh, of course it's my mother. She wanted to ask me about the pictures. Hello, madam. Yeah, I just told the vlog you were going to ask me about it.
Yeah.
Well, let me explain.